start streaming.
ES moving higher. Already broke
All
everything.
right, now the stream is up. Okay, that's what the problem is. Sorry, YouTube. All right, we are live now. Had technical issues, but we are live. All right. So I'm pretty
With
sure
this movement, NQ is going to be in the 15-minute range all day.
Look at ES.
Yes,
Should we
Freeman.
play ES again, dude? We missed this last time. It's trying to break back into its 15-minute range from fucking last time I said it. I don't even remember what day. Let's see, that was the 11th. No, that was yesterday. Duh.
I'm pretty sure yesterday on stream we set up the IWM calls. They are down right now, but we're gonna hold this position stream, okay? I'm gonna hold this position and look for 239.16, about that range. I pretty much want a break of the lows here. So if I get a move below the 239.44, it's gonna be like confirmation of a cut. We're watching H Home Depot because there's this giant, beautiful cup and handle on the weekly chart. Okay, so there's your cup, there's your handle, right? If we get a break of the all-time high, we'll take it for sure. But we might get a nice intraday setup, so we're gonna keep an eye on it. And we're letting the 15-minute ranges set for the futures as well. So we're actually making money right now. Our looks like what's printing is our GJT puts. This thing below 28. Well, now you need it. Your first setup is the break of the 30.33, and then below that, below the 26, then you can really make a push to like $20, and then we'll be making some really good money there.
Austin, can I have 2 Top Step X's pulled up?
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah. On
Awesome.
the top right, you can click open new window.
Yeah, the duplicate thing. G8.
ES already broke all the overnight.
It rejected off that gap again, too.
It's trying to break the overnight highs.
Oh, you weren't kidding. VIX really is in the floor.
Yeah, it's bad.
Wow,
Well, I mean, it's good, but
ahead of
CPI.
CPI.
This is exactly what we were looking for. Give us the update.
Yeah. Chewy's setting up. Chewy hit the alert again from yesterday. The strength here is still really strong. Okay, we can nibble based on how these contracts look. Little num. Alright, how expensive is this gonna be? Wow, Chewy's pretty expensive right now.
yeah, Austin, we bounced off that gap fill, and it's just been straight up since. And then the other resistance line is that 15-minute high from yesterday, or low from yesterday on ES. What's nuts is how like well these levels hold throughout the days.
Meta is the leader. Meta is dragging this whole thing up. We got 3 more minutes for the 15 range to get set. We've got a nice high and we've got a nice low for Qs. For those watching stream, very simple. 15-minute range. And then you play the break of the range.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Nice.
Very easy.
How we doing?
Good, you?
We're doing good. Yeah, just so everyone knows, we are live on YouTube, okay? Were those words?
Y'all heard that?
I don't. What did he say?
Different language.
Oh, it was? Oh, my bad. Was he speaking Hindi?
Yeah, sorry, my dad came in my room.
Can you
Alright.
can you tell me how do you say Home Depot is weak and slow in Hindi?
I don't know.
What?
I just know certain words. Let's say that.
You only
Does
know
your dad?
you only know keep curse words?
Not only keywords. Let's say that. I don't know the full language.
How do you say I love you in Hindi?
હું તને પ્રેમ કરતો છું. Oh my god! Hold up. Let me.
I could not repeat that. I have no clue what he said.
You cue back under the pivot point there.
Chop, 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 chop.
Look at the move out of meta.
With ES, if we break above 36, we could go all the way to 45 and quick.
Oh, look at the move out of Google. That's unusual. Ooh, Google might give it set up.
So upside.
Yeah, sorry guys, I'm back. Hopefully, I didn't miss a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, the 15-minute range is almost set. We got 10 seconds on the 15-minute range.
We are set, fellas.
I don't know if I actually want to set this one because look how extended we are from the EMAs right here, right? It looks like they could touch it and then roll over. We might want to set this. I'm going to set it a little bit over that previous high so as to not trigger a fake out.
Oh, sweet, dude, I made money. Fucking, oh, freaking right.
That's a really nice opening drive move. RSI sets no low, and then it gets fucked to move.
Oh, that's loud.
IWM is coming back. Looks like BTBT's moving. We're in the green. We're up 9% on these. Hut is moving.
Already?
Bitcoin's moving. Home Depot still slow.
Is NQ pulling back? Or is QQQ pulling back?
Nope, you're still stuck in this range.
Got a 1 minute cross down.
I need to set this range on my top step.
Hey, since they did the update to Top Step, check your refresh rate, fellas. I should have changed mine to fast.
There's probably a play here on Chewy. I'm just not very compelled to take it because of how high the premiums are. But if you are more interested in this than me, you could go for like some 38 calls. Further yet, you put them the safer they are. Buy some monthlies there. It's not insanely expensive, but the implied volatility is like 86% or something. China weak after all that stimulus. The headlines say they're bending the knee right now. Meta's about to hit a trigger. I don't want a straight up move. That is just a straight up move, though. That is straight up 12 bucks. Rip right off the open. So fast. So fast. No way I catch that. There were no signs of that in the pre-market, to be honest. You got like a goofy cup and handle that played out in 22 minutes right there. That's okay. I don't have to hit them all. Boeing a laggard. If it breaks this 146 is big level for Boeing. Coin getting a nice move off pre-market lows. Pinterest recovering from the right. Yeah. I bet these Pinterest contracts aren't much, and you could probably buy the 34s until the end of the year and look and see if it wants to fill this gap. It's a little pricey right now.
NQ back over the pivot. Almost back over the pivot point.
I would give Pinterest a lot of time, but it probably wants to fill that gap. Hey, this is okay setup. Does it scream at me? And I don't want to overtrade ahead of CPI. Nothing there. My gosh. Guarantee is absolutely gorgeous right here. I mean, it is just gorgeous right here. It's so beautiful. I am a holder here in my trade account, and I do have log calls. We were in lists on this name all year, YouTube, and they did not do well for like 6 months almost, and now they're up over like 200%. I think they were down like 70% at one point, but we held the convictions. We did the research. Dash is playing out a cup and handle right now.
Watch NQ right here, fellas. Just squeeze into the range high.
Josh, do you still hold your VKTX calls for December?
Oh, absolutely. I won't sell those at all.
I'm just double checking because I've been a little MIA. I was busy making a bunch of money yesterday. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, well done.
NQ tapping 15-minute range high there.
Yeah, yesterday was the most I've made in one day on my options account. It was up over 41% at the end of the day.
When did Shopify break 100? This has not been on my radar. This thing is... Oh, it had earnings. Okay. Literally just today. It gapped up. Huge. Okay, wait a second.
Hey, why is it not letting me have multiple windows today? The fuck? In queue.
She's edging it.
Oh my gosh! I hope I'm not supposed to be on a.
Make some coffee.
Okay, yeah, I'm not supposed to be on a live show right now. Woohoo! I thought I missed a live show. We did Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday last week. I'm glad we're not doing that again. That's a lot.
Make up your mind in queue.
Hey, anybody know how to get to a regular calculator
On what?
on your iPhone?
Yeah.
I-
The app.
How do you do it?
So
Go to the App Store.
do you have the calculator app?
Yeah, I got it open
Alright,
right
so
now.
turn your phone sideways and then click the calculator button in the bottom and put it on scientific.
Let's see.
And this is what we keep the young guys around for.
No,
Technology.
no. What's happening is like it's showing me pound then kilo under. I need to get rid of that, and I can't figure out how to get rid of that.
Hold on, BP. Let me go to my calculator. In
I
Q's
sent you a
in the
link.
15-minute range again.
Yep.
It's trying to break up.
It's over the pivot point.
Alright, hey, you know that calculator that you just clicked on in
Yeah.
VP?
Yeah.
So turn off convert.
Okay, perfect. Thanks.
Yeah.
We got
That was
the
perfect.
alert for MSTR.
That work for you?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, I can't even buy MSTR contracts for cheap anymore. They're so pricey. I thought it would reset this morning. Implied volatility is 142%, but it's literally 46% of the historical. Wow. This stock is something else, man. This thing defies all logic and preconceived notions. I'm just gonna be crazy. I'm just gonna buy the furthest strike for a crazy lotto.
Crazy. That was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room.
Ed Q.
A rubber room with rats.
In queue.
She's trying to break her.
The rats made me crazy.
She wants it. Give it to us.
Order filled.
There's the break. Not fully, though.
Gotta get through 50.
I might wait on the 50 break. Right back into it.
Chopper.
And that's why we play all the key levels, not just one of them.
Vic's doing?
Belton
Still down there.
Spy and Q look like they're just mirroring each other
Look
right
at
now.
the Aztecs
Wow.
just coming
Look
back.
at that
What?
freaking
Yeah,
heat.
what
That's
the heck?
crazy.
That's insane, bro. Wow. Whew. That's some heat right there. Like, golly. We went all the way down.
That's the heat
That's
right
the heat
there, he
right there.
says.
Yeah.
Is
And
that not
they're
like
taking
super?
out everybody. They said, nah,
That's
let's go up 10 points, then let's go down 30 points, then let's go back up 10 points. Yeah, they're trying to shake everybody out, bro.
is that not super bullish? Oh, break it, my friend.
Somebody get HR in here.
You got a sweet talking VP.
Chop, 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 chop. Chop suey. MSTR hit that trigger and melted afterwards. But Bitcoin went up. Let's explode. Explode.
ES trying to bull flag. See if she can break out.
All right.
Yeah.
The crazy play, YouTube. All right. The crazy play is you actually buy the 380 calls here for MSTR end of the week. Or the 400s. The thing is that those 400s at the end of the week are going to cost you about $970. And if you bought the 380s, you're going to pay about $1,300. Probably going to end up paying like $1,400. For me, a short-term contract that costs that much, I can't like load up multiples the same way, and then I had to manage my risk different, and it puts me in a position I don't like. But if
So what you're saying is, if you want to be like certified DGen here,
if you want to be
I
a
just
certified DGen, that is the hero play. Okay, that is the, I shouldn't even call it that. That is that's too romantic.
That's your gamble.
I should call it, that is the monkey play. That is monkey want banana play. Yeah, that's better.
Where's that HR we were talking about?
Bitcoin is just firing all cylinders. Why does it seem like there's an inverse here between Qs and Bitcoin? You might be getting a downside break, by the way, here on Q structure. That's, let the candle play out, but you might be getting it right here. Yep. That might be something you can play.
I'm sorry, are
Order
you live
filled.
or
Yes.
not? Okay.
every morning for the first hour.
ES breaking to the downside, maybe?
Order filled.
Yeah, you got a break of a wedge right there, and then it's just printed to the downside.
Order filled.
All right. Nice $100 on that short.
Order filled.
Crazy to see the Bears out here like this with VIX doing what it's doing.
Right? It's really weird.
It's just weird.
Yeah.
Weird, weird, weird.
I'm like, I did a few scouts right there on NQ. But they're very light. This break is that's a play right there by the way stream. That was the play. I caught some of that to the downside. Oh, I gotta sit up. I'm like melted in my chair right now. If it breaks the 15, by the way, this is not the 15. That's the low right there. Come on, DJT, give up 30. You know there's nothing for you here.
It's so hard to be short right now.
This 15-minute range is basically the overnight range.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, your overnight went a lot lower.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is this a bad entry on ES? Because I was thinking it could come all the way back down to
Oh,
this.
ES did break the 15-minute low.
Yeah, I was thinking it could come all the way back down to 21 too.
It can do it. Ooh, our IWM is getting hammered right now.
Oh, there it goes.
All right.
Nothing so far though. There is you could. Is anyone getting that ES short?
Mm-mm.
That is pretty weak.
Paralysis.
Dude.
Analysis
Super weak.
paralysis. Is VIX?
Well, that's another
VIX
one.
ticking up yet? VIX is ticking up now. VIX is getting over your EMAs. That might be the move.
Plus, I feel like I'm late if I get in now.
Yeah, no, you're being smart right now.
Now
Well,
this
if it
thing's
breaks
huge.
that range low. If it breaks that range low, let's see if it can even touch it. Oh, there it
NQ's
is.
coming out of the 15 high
It
or the
touched
15
it.
low.
It touched it.
Yeah, Meta and everything that rallied hard this morning is all rolling over. Bitcoin maintaining.
Frickin' Bitcoin, man. Pulling all our money away from the indexes.
I want to see Bitcoin in the 90s, dude. Give me 95 Bitcoin this week.
How nuts would 100 be by the end of the year?
Not nuts at all, given the moves we've seen so far. That's like expectation. That's probably like
Wow.
85% likelihood or something. It's up there. Seasonality will take over.
It's insanity,
100,
dude.
100K Bitcoin is extremely likely. This thing could retrace. This thing could retrace back into the 70s and still technically be bullish.
Order filled.
After a
DSP's
move
going
like
short
that.
somewhere. Eee. Goodness.
Well, there's not a ton going on today's stream. We will be patient. Looks like all the action's going to come in the later half of the day.
NQ with the bounce.
ES trying to get back over the 15-minute range low.
None of our setups today have triggered.
There she goes. Back over it.
Look at NQ Austin just squeezing.
Nvidia is strongest on the day. Didn't give up
Yep.
like the rest of the names did.
I just put NVIDIA into my 401.
Meta bouncing off a key level. Oh, I think you posted something in the chat about it and I didn't respond. That's my bad.
It's okay. I deleted it. I just went with my gut. No brain. Click button. Make money. Monkey trade.
Look at this range right here. This market doesn't really know what it wants. The Bears and the Bulls are battling it out. It's King Kong versus Godzilla out here.
That's good though. It means we get a fat move whenever it finally does happen. One of them's gonna die.
So why today will TopStep not have let me have 2 windows open, but yesterday it did?
Don't do it with the top step windows. Just pull another tab up with top step and log into it. And then drag your
Maybe
tab
that's why
over.
it crashed before.
G- G- 60-point move to the upside.
Right off the 15-minute range low. Wow.
Did you take it?
No.
Mm. I just had a good retracement on the breakdown. I might get short on SPY right here. I don't want to though. It's
There's
scary.
decent risk reward is short Q right here.
You said short
Order
Q right here?
filled.
Short Q.
Who is? Were you saying, Josh? I didn't hear the first part.
There is decent. I mean, I'm in the short already.
Oh,
Order filled.
It's right at the. Here, I'll post the structure in the futures chat. The one I'm watching. Watching that.
Come on now.
Right when it touched the top of that, there was a setup to just for a quick short back to the downside.
Come on now.
That was a nice move. I didn't even catch all of it.
Man, I love minis. I mean micros.
I love breakouts that follow through. Mm.
Oh, I see.
I understand now. Hey, is this Head and Shoulders on the 1 minute, Austin?
On what?
NQ? Or no?
Eh,
Not really.
kinda. It's wacky though.
Yeah.
Back over the pivot point on the 5 minute.
It's there. Literally, your 15-minute low is the neck.
Yeah.
This thing is not trending very well with EMAs. This is really stuck in
Yeah, I was
some kind
about
of
to
wild
say,
chop
man.
son.
All my
Looks like
EMAs are
another
the same EMA right now.
gaming day till tomorrow. Excuse me.
Wow. I lost stock blocks.
That's crazy. That's whoa.
Good.
Okay, let's see it. Come on now. Get under that last. Get under that last low. Get under that last low. Let's see VIX get over 15 and see this dump. Oh my gosh.
What is up, gentlemen?
What's good?
Okay, it's that
Good
1 minute VWAP.
morning.
Morning, morning,
Morning.
Morning.
Has every
Well,
like the past 3 weeks have been Monday and Tuesday awful, and then the rest of the week amazing.
Tuesday's been good. Usually get a trend day on Tuesday.
But not for like the past 3 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
Thursdays
I
have
don't
been
know.
horrendous.
It's early, boys. We're not even an hour in.
Yeah.
It's early. See if we could trap a bunch of bears.
Mm.
It's definitely
Ooh,
looking more and
Josh,
more like
you
a
made
chat
a.
video.
Did you get a
That one
password
is-
manager, Josh?
No. I am live
Where'd you
on
make this
YouTube.
password app? Where'd you make this password app from? Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna tell you what the fucking password is. But this is different than what you got. What you got going on normally.
Yeah, I use
More
Google.
random.
I let Google pick it.
Oh, okay. You let Google pick it. Yeah, I'm still
All of your
using
passwords aren't the
manager.
exact same password.
They were, but then I got lectured by our developer.
Yeah, I told him that's a very stupid idea. Because it wasn't even just the same password. It was either the same username or email as well each time. So as soon as someone figures that out, they kind of just have access to, I don't know, the entire business. So we're changing that up a little bit. I think there's one or two services we still got to change, but everything that's critical, it's already changed. So we're good. We're not going to disappear overnight.
Yeah, so anyone on YouTube, you
You're a
cannot
hacker
hack
on
us.
YouTube. You're already screwed. Can't do it.
You're a
That's
week
actually a
late.
lie.
But
They
had to
definitely
get
could.
They had to get through like two-factor authentication and stuff. There's no one.
Nothing's 100%
There's
foolproof,
there's
though.
no one with a big enough brain to do all. Well, you know what? Let's not make it a challenge. Never mind.
I'll say the more you make it a challenge, like it's literally impossible. I will give you $1 billion if you are able to break into my email.
Stop talking. Stop talking. Don't joke about it.
You don't even have to offer $1
Password, I'm
billion.
the best trader ever.
No, I didn't have anything like that.
In
Password.
the top 1% of trade
Password.
traders, in the top 99% of password creators.
Password was.
The top 1%.
Password was. It's big, but it's not huge. Or it's not. It's not huge, but it is big.
It is big.
Huge
Bitcoin.
cock, small balls. Huge cock, small balls.
Careful, we're on YouTube.
Sorry.
You have to be
Bitcoin
more.
influencer trader.
You have to be more cultured.
More cultured. Let's see here.
Huge hoagie, small
Oh.
biscuits.
I'm bored.
I'm bored too.
Shot day before CPI.
I want to see it give us a dump right here. Right
Jeez,
here.
Austin, yawning at 9:30 in the morning already.
Yeah. My soul is yawning too.
Oh. CPI is tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before market. open.
Interesting.
Market typically front runs, but with the choppy pre-markets, pretty much across the board.
VIX is giving us a little pump. Little bump.
Freaking Bitcoin's stealing the show.
It did roll over.
Yeah, I know. I'm down 22 cents. It's ridiculous.
On what?
On my Bitcoin.
Oh no!
I took the remainder of my Robinhood account and put it all into Bitcoin.
Buy the highs and hope it goes higher.
You joke, but buying the highs is a pretty good win rate.
I'm down 56
I didn't say it was
cents
a
in
bad
total.
idea. I
Sorry.
said buy the highs and hope you're wrong.
56 cents.
MSTR's
the
got
top.
a
It's
Not
a
the
high
top.
win rate if you're ready to sell.
MSTR's got a nasty double top. Oh, break the triple.
This is a really based place to short if you want to. I don't know.
It's just a nothing. It's like a chop zone.
Yeah, forget this. I need to take a shower. I'm gonna close my laptop and get off the market so you guys can catch the move in 5 minutes.
Thank you.
I'm gonna check the Discord after my shower, and Austin's gonna have printed on 5 contracts.
You know what's funny is like we actually like surprisingly usually when someone goes to take a shower is when it starts moving. That's happened way too many times to ignore.
That's what I'm telling you, fellas. We're finna shower it up. You guys print, and
Like,
I'll
no,
portion.
I'm not gonna trade. I gotta go make dinner, and then it just prints like 100 points.
Alright, well, whenever y'all print, I want a percentage of everybody's earnings today. Over the next 30 minutes.
I just
No.
want to see this click down right here. It's holding underneath that pivot point and the VWAP.
He said, do you use something like window top?
Who, me?
Yeah.
What is window top?
It pins a window on top of another one.
What, the Power Toys one that I was telling you about? That Windows Control T?
The one you use is called Power Toys.
Yeah, I use Power Toys.
Sounds hot.
That's
Yeah.
Shut up.
It's not even just toys, it's Power Toys.
Oh, good.
Power tools.
It is
You
called
could have
Power
just made
Toys.
if you
though,
could have
is the
just
actual
made
name
that
of it.
joke in like 5 minutes after 9:30.
I already had this. I forgot.
Come on now.
I
Come
have
on.
this set up. Control.
Come
key.
on now.
Header and everything else.
Come on now. Come on. No.
No, I said we changed everything. Did you change your oh my, ask you why not.
Class starts in 13 minutes. What was that?
That's the morning. On Tuesday mornings, I make the daily watch list with everyone.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I was asleep.
Oh, good.
Also, I'm gonna look into it, whether there's a bot that already exists or whether I should make one. I low-key kind of want to record most of your MBT events, so that you can always repost them or whatever if you want to, or for people that aren't able to come and see it, are able to watch it at some point. Okay, cool. Bet. I know you were messing with passwords, so I'm just double checking. What the
Keeps
heck?
pushing back up again. ES held the lows.
Come on now.
It's going crazy. Come on now.
Come on now.
Wow. ES tapped the 15-minute range though and then said, fuck you.
ES is still under the 50-minute range low. Is it?
Yeah.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on.
We'll be back for CPI.
Come on now.
I do love a little
Oh yeah,
bit
give
of
us the
AI
dump.
revolution
Give us the
we're in
dump.
right
Come
now.
on now.
Love it just a little bit. Cause I messed up something already on the polygon, and I can just ask the AI, and in 2 seconds it is able to respond and give me a halfway decent answer that I can actually fix it with. That's so nice.
NVIDIA did hit the trigger for the upside.
Still no access to it. Why? Why no access still?
You guys are really gonna pump right out of that. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Don't wick down to my entry price.
I told
What's
Discord
that?
members that they can take NVIDIA here and they can look for it to push over this high. This high right here. Get a bit further extension, but to play small.
Is that supposed to
Personally,
trigger and set up alerts?
it should have, yeah.
I hate that thing. Alright, I'll look into it.
It's
I-
TradingView's
dude,
fault.
I don't get it, dude. Ticks me off. TradingView. I'm still gonna freaking double check that.
I wonder if we could
For
do.
some reason, I always thought that like coding and algorithms, shit like that, like once you just got it working, it just worked.
Come
No,
on
that's
now.
that's literally only half of it. The other half it's maintaining because they like to update their things or they suck at providing data sometimes, so you have to pivot. Which sucks.
It's what it seems on you. It seems you're fixing something about every day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's why in like bigger companies you have people that are just like developers, you have people that maintain,
Wow.
and then you have like planning or like architecture. Those are almost like three distinct things. Because even whenever you design it, you have to design it to be able to be
That fucking
maintained.
VWAP holding way too good on the 5 second.
Which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that good at designing it to be maintained. So that's probably why I'm also spending a lot of time maintaining things.
You'll have that though.
I'm getting better about it. There's a lot of things I've learned so far.
Alright, break under that fucking VWAP already.
There's 3 chop days in a row.
Just hanging out smack in the middle of the 15-minute range. Alright, give us the push under. Just give us the fucking push already. Keep tapping this level, but you won't give us the push.
Oh, it's a boring morning, YouTube. Guys, do not be sensitized. Do not be decentivized. Do not be turned off by the boringness of the push, okay? Of the chop. Alright. Set up still cub. This market's still crazy, honestly. This is pretty normal. Nvidia is breaking higher. I really haven't made any real trades. I took one MSTR Lotto. I'm letting it do its thing. That's literally all I've done this morning. I still have exposure to crypto. It's doing fine. We're still in the green even with the retraces. We're chilling.
Oh, Josh, IWM got smacked.
What? Oh, I know.
IWM got smacked.
Oh, I know. I'm watching it. That's why I
Oh, that looks like
anticipated
a wedge.
on what, IWM?
Yeah. If they can break out of the trend.
Oh, for the upside?
Yeah, look at that 2 and 1 minute. Look at that. It's trying to break to the upside. Needs to break that trend. Actually, it did break to the upside. It's back testing. Here's the back test. Oh, back testing. Nope, it held so far. That was your back test. See if it holds. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. It's holding it. Oh. Oh. You see that?
Yeah.
Come on, give us the flipping. Come on now. Come on now. Just push, Goose, to push over that.
The video just puked.
Jeez, Tesla went to 361 in the after hours yesterday.
No, you didn't.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe a 10 a.m. reversal.
Oh my gosh, dude! It just how many touches on the VWAP can it make?
Million. I would not be shorting this if that's what you're trying to do. I would not be shorting it. Look how tight it is. Bears had so many opportunities this morning.
To plunge in, they
Eight.
didn't.
What?
I agree. Sorry, I agree with what you're saying.
Yeah, they had an opportunity at 8:30, another opportunity at 8:45, another opportunity at 9 o'clock, and 9:15. All the wicks closed to the upside. It's so many opportunities. ES broke the lows at 9:30, and then it just wicked right back up to the upside. It's tight, but it's still trending up. ES about to give the move. There's ES back above the 15-minute range low. Did Russell hold? Russell did hold that. Perfect back test. Trying to move higher. Alright. Things are kind of looking up for a little bit here. But let's have CPI tomorrow, so there's a lot better trading days coming up, so man. DSV, they gave us the frickin' dump at 4 a.m. this morning. They're just chopping. Every
Yeah.
time the Bulls get a chance, rejected. Every time the Bears get a chance, rejected. It's boring.
I know, right? Dude, if you look at the 5-second chart, that VWAP is just bing, bing, bing. It made like 5 clean touches in the last minute.
It's Chinese.
What?
You said the VWAP is named Bing Bing Bing.
It's giving us that bing, bing, bing.
Bing
5
bong.
touches. Bing, bing bong.
What movie is that from? Bing Bong.
That's from Donald Trump himself. He's used to say that. Remember, he used to be like bing, 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 bong, bong, bong. Now it's gonna break down, really.
Bing
Or
Bong.
is it really?
Is that from the Robots movie?
Maybe.
Is that Pixar?
I think it's from like The Hangover or something with the Asian dude. Maybe. No, I'm thinking Family Guy. The Asian guy from Family Guy. It's like Bing Bong. Let me find the clip. Here it is.
YouTube-
I found it.
YouTube, I just want to be clear that we believe that you should stop Asian hate.
Here's the here.
Can I watch
I
this?
agree.
Yeah. It's only a minute.
It's on YouTube though. I'm on YouTube though.
Yeah. DSV coming in here.
I need
Hey,
this
I
chart
can
to
hear your
correct.
background.
Okay, sorry, go ahead. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh, damn, which one's a Chinese one?
American cleaners.
That's probably it.
You stop make bing bong. Every bing bong 2 cents. What you want?
Yeah, I'm here to pick up my cleaning. Oh, cool, look at that. Oh, this seems like it'd be a great place to work. But I didn't go to college.
That $20.
Hey, I think you forgot my shirt.
There no shirt.
Well, no, I know you have my white shirt. Can you check again?
No need check. I know have your shirt.
Listen here, washy, you do have my shirt.
I know have your shirt.
You, yes, have my shirt.
You get out of my store.
You give me shirt.
You go, I call police.
You no dare call police.
Oh, you want to play game, fatso? You big fig. A 911.
Fine, I go. But this no over. I take picture of Ang Lee.
Good. He do too many white people movie anyway. You no come back ever. I know like you American. And all you American look alike.
Bing Bong.
No bing bong.
Bing bong.
All right, no bing bong on the market. Okay.
No bing bong on
Bing
the
bong.
market today.
Now
Washy,
break the
washy.
fucking VWAP game. Game needs to break the VWAP here, right?
All right,
Chop,
guys.
chop.
We're obviously the market's pretty slow. We're having fun. We'll be watching it all day though. Check out the link in the bio. It's not
Stop
very-
Asian hate.
It's not a very good day for us to advertise, but hey, we'll be in the Discord from open to close. We're pretty much just flat on the day. Looking at my open positions right here, nothing's really happened. Nothing exciting. We'll keep an eye out. Watch Bitcoin.
No way.
This is a day of digestion. All right? All right? So just be patient. Spell patience P-A-Y, by the way. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow, or we'll talk to you in the Discord. And most importantly, how the neck, Josh? Neck is doing good, all right? Thank you for asking. What should I trade today? I have 170 with something I should put it in. I would wait.
Wow.
Wait for the market. All right? Wait for something to happen here, okay? Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm not good at watching the questions because I'm not used to questions actually being on the live stream. I'll try to keep an eye on it in future days. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. We're getting a breakdown on ES right now. Pretty big one, actually. We're also getting the same thing on IWM. We might have to cut a position here. All right, but we got to close the stream. All right, so you all have a wonderful day. Most importantly, as always, God bless.